Even after simplifying the deployment and centralized operations, there's still a very real concern about the operational complexity of 5G. Traditionally, operating cellular network requires deep expertise in areas such as RF planning, coverage optimization, interference management, device behavior, security monitoring, and so forth. Enterprise generally asks, do I need to have a team of RF engineers to run this, right? And there are multiple challenges, actually. It's not only RF planning and coverage, but device monitoring, because you may have hundreds of thousands of device endpoints, AGVs and tablets, and security and threat detection. That becomes also an important question, and the capacity optimization, right? As workload grows, usage patterns change, network needs to adapt. And in our view at Celona, expecting enterprises to manually manage all of this is not realistic. That's why we have heavily invested in AI-driven automation across the life cycle of a private 5G network. The goal is to embed the cellular expertise into the platform itself, so customers don't have to become cellular experts to operate it. So here we are bringing all of these different aspects together, right? Our approach honestly has been very pragmatic. We didn't start with lofty promises of full autonomy, and we started with what I call very low-hanging fruits. In the areas where patterns are already well understood and automation delivers immediate value. The first is RF design and network bring-up. Right? RF planning has traditionally been a highly manual, expert-driven task. But after deploying across dozens of warehouses, factories, and yards, and different environments, the coverage models really converge, right? Interference behaviors are well understood. And with all these real-world data, AI-driven RF design tools can produce very high-quality designs. And often, this is compared to human experts would be pretty much at the same level, especially for common facility types, right? This enables day minus one RF planning. How about day zero bring up on automation? So this is also very well understood after many of these deployments, and many of these key bring up processes can be optimized as well. The second area is proactive monitoring. We monitor across the full stack, from the radio metrics to device behavior to enterprise integration points, and over time, very specific signatures emerge in terms of early indications for handover issues or coverage degradation, some misconfigurations maybe on the DHCP servers or abnormal traffic behavior. And these are not just random events, right? These are certain patterns, and agentic AI allows us to continuously watch for these patterns, raise intelligent alerts, and in many cases, isolate the issues before the impact even happens. The third part is the root cause analysis and remediation. Instead of just telling the operator, oh, something is wrong, the system can correlate symptoms across layers of radio, device types, mobility pattern, interference environment, and recommend some specific corrective actions. In many cases, those actions can be applied automatically by adjusting certain radio configuration parameters or updating policies and rebalancing capacity and so forth. Finally, we move into autonomous control. This includes things like spectrum access system, the grants, how we manage those grants, PTP timing, how do we pick a leader when there are multiple PTP grandmasters, dynamic sound behavior for mobility and coverage optimization, and ongoing capacity tuning. These are tasks that are traditionally requiring deep cellular expertise and constant attention, but they are also highly repeatable and well suited for closed-loop automation. The key point is, as the number of deployments grow, the clarity of these patterns increase, and once patterns are clear, automation becomes not only a possibility, but really a necessity. Agentic AI is how we embed cellular expertise directly into our platform, and it allows private 5G to be operated with confidence, consistency, and scale without requiring every customer to become cellular expert. We believe this is how private 5G transitions from specialized technology into a true enterprise infrastructure.